Burglar and intruder alarms. Installation cost guide. House alarm systems have been popular with British homeowners for decades. Despite a drop in burglary numbers in recent years, the thought of having your home broken into is a nightmare scenario. As you'd expect, there are more than one type of intruder alarm. If you buy a monitored alarm system from one of the national burglar alarm companies, you will pay from £280 to £700 for the supply and installation of your alarm. These alarms usually include 2 sensors and 1 door contact. However, this doesn't include the monitoring contract, which will be £15 to £45 per month. Wireless bells alarms cost between £310 and £880 for supply and installation. These alarms typically include 2 sensors and 1 door contact. A hardwired alarm that doesn't rely on battery power will cost between £400 and £780. Smart home security systems are the most sophisticated alarms. These alarms will set you back between £420 and £920. A basic system might include a video doorbell and 1 or 2 internal cameras that you can monitor via a mobile app. Professional-grade systems cost more but include a keypad along with multiple PIR sensors. If you want to store the data recorded by your smart home security system, you'll need to purchase a subscription to a data storage service. Finally, GSM dialer alarms cost between £510 and £870. These wired alarms are connected to a mobile network via a standard SIM card. If one of the sensors is triggered, the alarm can dial saved phone numbers to alert homeowners or authorities. On average, burglar alarm technicians charge between £60 and £80 per hour. It normally takes between 2 and 6 hours to install a burglar alarm, depending on the type of system you choose and how much electrical work is required. An annual service generally costs from £75 to £125. If your burglar alarm develops a fault, you should budget approximately £80 to £120 to repair it. How do I find and hire someone to install an alarm? Finding the right security alarm fitter can be challenging. At Household Quotes, we can connect you to burglar alarm fitters in your area. When looking for contractors, gather 3 to 4 quotes from trusted local tradesmen. Then you can decide which system is best for your circumstances and the best cost available. Make sure to always get a written quote and ask for the contractor's experience. Have they experience with fitting monitored alarms or just smart home security systems? Make sure their background matches your needs. Use Household Quotes to find local security alarm fitters and potentially save money on your home safety project.